channel. Welcome back to Style Me Out with Sakshi. Guys, you have been asking me this question for the longest time. Sakshi, आप अपने घर पे अपनी style videos कैसे shoot करते हैं? How do you do at home photo shoots? You've been so regular with your content. If you don't know about this already, I've been posting every single day styling videos on my Instagram, so head over there. But यहाँ पे of course YouTube family is exclusive, and if you want to see more of my videos, jaldi se hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more videos. And while you do that, hit the bell icon as well. It's right here, and hit the like button if you like this video. Today we're going to be talking a lot about how to do home photo shoots, especially during this lockdown. And if you're a content creator, it's so much more important for us to create content during this period because बहुत सारे लोग इस टाइम पे Instagram पे, Facebook पे, YouTube पे, हर social media platform पे बहुत ज़्यादा active हैं. And how can you create really good content even while having the most minimal resources? I'm going to tell you how I create my sets. How do I edit my videos on my phone? Please stay tuned for that because you guys have been asking me. It's like an everyday question that you ask me, how do I edit my videos? So I'm going to actually show you guys and show you a tutorial on how I edit my videos on my phone. And yes, just behind the scenes of my photo shoot, I've been actually doing a photo shoot every single day on my own for the longest time since the last 3-4 months. आज पहली बार after such a long time, and I'm so excited for this. मेरा videographer 3-4 महीने पूरे लॉकडाउन के बाद पहली बार आज घर पर आ रहा है. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes on how we do some of our editorial shoots, and you're going to have a lot of fun, trust me. Literally as easy as it gets. This is the setup, guys. I have a little bit of a green planter going on here because I like greenery in my setups, and the color of the clothes hanging on the clothing rack are very color coordinated to what I'm wearing. So there is some sort of like an aesthetic, and there is some sort of like a merging, like a flow to the entire set along with me. The second setup is my white backdrop setup. Now this is very famous because I film all of my styling videos and a lot of my YouTube videos actually. And yeah, मैं यहाँ पे tripod setup करती हूँ, यहाँ पे camera लगाती हूँ, and वहाँ पे film करती हूँ, and that's pretty much it. I don't really need a lot of people. I don't need anybody. I film all of my videos on my own and edit them on my own. Another great tip for all of the people who don't really have a DSLR or a camera and shoot a lot of their pictures and videos on phone is getting a remote shutter like this. It literally costs next to nothing. Amazon से आराम से मिल सकता है, and बहुत ही negligible prices का. It is so useful, especially if you don't have a lot of people clicking your pictures or taking your videos. This one, trust me, you can literally put your camera or your phone, if you're shooting on your phone, on a tripod and then just like pose in front of it. Or if you want to shoot the video, you don't even have to go back and forth to start the video, then pause the video. Everybody who's clicking or shooting videos on their own, you need this. Second look, very again super editorial. Super editorial, and I love it. Like I'm wearing a power suit. I don't know if you can see it properly, but you will be able to. And in order to create good videos, especially fashion videos, you have to go all out sometimes. Not every time. I believe in relatable fashion a lot, but sometimes you can go all out. And trust me, when you do, amazing content comes out of it. Okay, now that we're done with the shoot, let's move on to the favorite part, which is the editing part. A lot of people keep asking me, Sakshi, आप आसान तरीका बताओ edit करने का. And I'm going to tell you the simplest way to edit on your phone. Literally, you can edit cinematic videos and amazing looking videos and full-fledged videos, even your YouTube videos on your phone. It is amazing. It is through an app called Vita, V-I-T-A. It is a free app, 100% free, which is why I love it. Second, उसमें बहुत ही next level effects हैं, मतलब ऐसे effects मैंने किसी और app में नहीं देखे हुए, and this is why I'm spilling in all the secrets. And it also has some amazing transitions and also some default templates in case you don't want to edit and you want a quickly well-produced video in just a matter of few seconds. You can just import all of the footage in and it's going to do its magic, and आपको कुछ ही seconds में वो well-prepared video मिल जाएगी. So I'm going to show you how I edit my videos. Now this one is very cinematic. आपको दिखाऊंगी कि retro video कैसे create करते हैं, and that's what my specialty is any which ways. So let's get started. हाँ, इस app में बहुत ही amazing slow motions हैं in case you're wondering. Okay, the first thing you have to do is of course open the app, the Vita app, and उसमें जाके plus sign में जाके आप अपना फुटेज सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए जो कि आपको एडिट करनी है. मैंने ये फुटेज कैमरे पे शूट करी थी, इस वजह से मैंने मोबाइल पे पहले ट्रांसफ़र करी और इसमें एडिट करूँगी. इट्स वेरी इजी टू एडिट. सबसे पहले इफेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा इफेक्ट्स हैं एंड मैक्सिमम इफेक्ट्स इसमें फ्री हैं. वन थिंग वाई आई रियली लाइक दिस ऐप इज़ बिकॉज बहुत ही सारे इफेक्ट्स इफेक्ट्स और ट्रांजिशन जिसमें बहुत न्यू इफेक्ट्स हैं जो कि आपको बाकी एप्स में नहीं मिलेंगे, तो आपकी वीडियो ऑफ कोर्स दूसरों से अलग दिखेगी, विच इज ऑलवेज द आइडिया। मुझे स्टार्टिंग कुछ रेट्रो से करनी है। आई रियली लाइक दिस फिल्म रोलिंग इफेक्ट। आई थिंक इट्स गोना ऐड अ ग्रेट इफेक्ट व्हेन वी स्टार्ट। इफेक्ट ऐड कर लिया है, उसके बाद स्प्लिट करते हैं। मुझे जो क्लिप्स डिलीट करनी है, जैसे कि मेरे को ये वाली क्लिप अच्छी लग रही है बट इससे पहले वाली कोई भी अच्छी लग रही है, तो इसको डिलीट कर देते हैं। मैंने स्प्लिट एंड डिलीट के ऑप्शन से बेस्ट अपनी जो फुटेज है, बेस्ट क्लिप्स हैं, वो मैंने सारी कंपाइल कर दी है एंड बेसिक टाइमलाइन बना दी है। इन दोनों क्लिप्स के बीच में मुझे कोई लाइट ट्रांजिशन डालनी है। लुक एट हाउ मेनी ट्रांजिशंस देयर रियली आर। अब एक टेक्स्ट ऐड करते हैं। आई लव दोज विंटेज टेक्स्ट, जो येलो कलर के टेक्स्ट होते हैं इन द बॉटम दैट से समथिंग रियली लाइक फैंसी एंड स्टफ। आई एम गोना ऐड समथिंग। आई थिंक आई एम गोना ऐड पॉइजन्ड यूथ। इसमें इतने अमेजिंग टाइटल इफेक्ट्स हैं। टाइटल इफेक्ट, दिस येलो इफेक्ट, बट आई एम गोना स्टिक टू सबटाइटल्स बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक हाउ दिस एक्चुअली लुक्स। पॉइजन्ड यूथ। और मैं अपनी टाइमलाइन को सिर्फ एक्सपैंड करके या फिर स्क्वीज करके छोटा बड़ा भी कर सकती हूँ। और यहाँ पे अपना तीसरा टेक्स्ट डाल देते हैं, अनबॉदर्ड विद इन। एक्चुअली कुछ और इफेक्ट्स डालने का मन कर रहा है, तो मे बी यहाँ पे कुछ इफेक्ट डालते हैं। इसमें बड़ी अमेजिंग स्प्लिट स्क्रीन्स भी हैं। ओह माय गॉड, इट इज लुकिंग सो गुड। नॉट द लीस्ट, लेट्स सिलेक्ट म्यूजिक। दिस आर ऑफ कोर्स कॉपीराइट फ्री म्यूजिक, तो आप आराम से इसको इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब पे ऐड कर सकते हो। एंड दे हैव अ ह्यूज लिस्ट ऑफ म्यूजिक। And that's it. Now I'm going to export this, and it was as easy as that. How good does this video look? Those people who have just a minute to edit their videos, you can of course use their default templates, and this is how you do it. All you have to do is select the clip that you want to edit. You can of course select multiple clips as well. Go on their templates. You can select so many templates. There are so many free templates to choose from. There are also tutorials. You can use any aesthetic that you really like. There are templates for TikTok. There are templates for Instagram. There is template for a YouTube intro. I did not know about this. You can literally have a YouTube intro in just a minute. And that's it, video ready in just 1 minute. Looks so cool, man. This is so cool. Also, a lot of people keep asking me, Sakshi, how do you film your Instagram stories? Like, what filters do you use? I actually use an app called B612. I'm going to show you what. Now, go on the app and use your story feature. They have so many cool filters that you can use. I really like this shimmer effect. So many filters. Also, you can decrease the intensity and increase the intensity of the filter. Okay, this is one of my favorites. I'm going to use this for a boomerang. Some really cool features, right? Well, that's about it, you guys. I hope this was informative. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that because it motivates me to create more videos. And well, that's about it. See you guys later. Bye.